what's up? Can Bougie Bankroll get some love? What's up, y'all? Alright, so to figure out what I want to do, how I want to do things, what I'm going to post. So I'm just going to just record. If I post it, I post it. If I don't, it will. Out working right now. I am about to go get me something to eat, and then I'm going to wash my car, or vice versa. And while I eat, I'm gonna talk, do a little mukbang, chit chat with y'all. But to just let y'all know, hey, I was thinking about y'all. Hope you was thinking about me. Anyway, I'm gonna show you my car. So this was before. See, I still got them boxes back there. See my pretty Ren, be cute. So we're gonna do it after. I'm about to go in this building, do what I got to do, and then I am going to get me something to eat, and we're gonna go from there. Pretty, bougie, savage. That's how we get the money. So I did stop and get me something to eat. I'm at the third place for today, and I just got a little snacky snack. I got a little matcha latte ice from Dairy Queen, and these, which I thought was gonna be more than just 2 of them, but there's only 2. But it's this. Looks good though. It's a little stuffed mini everything bagel. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll get back to y'all. I'm so hungry I can't read. Clearly, it says Dunkin' Donuts, not Dairy Queen. I don't know. I'm hungry. Anyway. eat. I'm so hungry. Alright, say our grace. Thank you for this food. Please let this food nourish my body. Please let it go to my booty, make my booty fat, my tummy flat, and my boobs plumped. Yes, I actually do say that. Please let the hands who prepared this meal have been cleansed, and they have been good spirits, not evil souls, no evil thoughts, no negative energies, only positive energies. If there was any negative energies, please let them be erased and cleansed away from my food and not entered into my body. Thank you. In the name of the universe, I pray. Ashe. All right, so I do want to wash my hands one more time. Be right back. All right, hands are washed. Time to dig in. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna take a couple bites first, and then I'll start talking to you guys. Everybody else do the happy dance when they eat. Of course, it's spicy. Spicy. Okay, so basically, I want to talk about, excuse me, why I became an entrepreneur, how long I've been an entrepreneur, what I do. So, I became an entrepreneur back in 2019. I was a dentist assistant working for an upscale dentist office. It was like a loft style dentist office in the downtown Pittsburgh. Really nice. I actually did like my job. I loved it. But at the end of the day, I was running somebody else's business who didn't appreciate me. And I got tired of that shit. I went to school for dentist assistant after being a CNA my entire adult life. Between a CNA, a PCT, which is patient care tech, CNA is a certified nurse assistant, PCT is a patient care technician. I was working in a hospital in an oncology unit, which I love that too. Also, home health aid is home health aid, HHA, or HHA. That's self-explanatory. So, in the midst of me being a dentist assistant, years prior, I was already researching different like side hustles and franchises to invest in and things of that nature. And at the end of the day, I knew I wanted to have a commercial cleaning company because I actually like to clean. I'm very good at it. And I can make money doing it. And I'll be my own boss. And I could give other people opportunity to have employment underneath me. Which I did that once upon a time. I did have employees on and off. But at the end of the day, in this situation, I don't do anything else besides this and other little businesses that I run. But at the end of the day, I can do, like, this is the only physical job that I have. So, why not do it yourself? Keeps me in shape. My body is bomb. And I'm keeping the money in my pocket. And I'm working on my own time. because I do work a little faster than others because I am a pro at this. I'm used to it. So I don't got time to be sitting around waiting on people. And then you got to deal with people who want to be on their phones and a bunch of extra shit that as bosses, you don't want to deal with that shit. So and like I said, I keep all the money to myself. That's self-explanatory. So I love being an entrepreneur. Like I said, I bought into a franchise. I don't know if I said that, but that's what I did. I bought into a franchise, a commercial cleaning franchise. Read this. And, well, first of all, so let me back up. I was a dentist assistant running this lady's business who, she was just full of herself. And I was doing my best, and I felt like I was doing a very good job. On a good day when she wanted to feel like she wanted to tell me, because let's be real, I was the only, you know, this color in the office, and it was hard, like, and I learned a lot from running her business and doing what I could. But at the end of the day, you get disrespected and unappreciated enough, you're gonna say fuck that shit and be out. And that's what happened. I said, fuck you, bitch, I'm out. And I didn't disrespect her. I should have, because she fully deserved it, but I didn't. But in the middle of the day, I quit. In the middle of the day, it was like right after lunch. She just snap all in my face. It's only about so much you could take before you either end up in jail or you just walk out and be like, fuck it. And that's what happened. I just had to say, fuck this shit, and did. I left middle of the day, took my little headset off, and went on an elevator and never looked back. So that happened in like August of 2019. September 2019, excuse me, I went and invested my money that I had saved up along with my last check. Put it all together, went to the franchise, did my paperwork, talked to the lawyer, signed everything. That was in September. October 19th, I started my actual first contract. I was officially an entrepreneur, officially working for myself, officially not answering to nobody. I believe I hired my first employee January 2020. It was my ex-homegirl. We ain't cool no more, but she was my first employee. And that lasted probably like 2 months before I actually had to end up letting her go. Maybe 3 months. And that shit didn't work out. But whatever, that's neither here or there. And then, so, I didn't know really, and then, since then, I literally had a few other employees, hired people, fired people. I've had a total of like 20-something contracts since 2019. Lost some, gave up some, transferred some to other people, and just did what I did. And so now here we are. What is it? November 2021. So it's officially over 2 years. 2 years. And now I'm transferring it to Tampa, Florida. That leads me to Tampa, Florida. I am transferring my cleaning company to Tampa, Florida. So can't wait. Besides that, I also put gem, stub people's teeth with gems. You'll see it as I talk, but I have that little side business. I have an e-commerce store that I'm working on, and doing my videos and stuff is actually gonna make me focus more on my store, because I want to use my store as commercials or whatever you want to call it to help that business. And I have another little side hustle I want to start once I get to Florida. I don't want to talk about it just yet, but it involves my hands and it involves little cute costumes. Nothing freaky. Also, I clean Airbnbs on the side as well. So that is not an LLC yet, but I plan to turn that Airbnb into an LLC also. So I'm also learning Forex. That's a whole nother story, but stay tuned. That Forex, yes, baby, yes. If you know, then you know. If you don't, you better find out. But this is so good. I'm mad I forgot to get my little sauce. That little dark red sauce, baby. That little dark red sauce. I know. Yes, that shit's bomb. Super bomb. But if you can, somewhere, somehow, in this universe, right now, quit your job and work for yourself. I'm so serious. Or at least, whatever your job is, start a little side hustle doing that. Whatever. Whatever you're good at work or in general, start a little side hustle doing that. Take it as far as you want. Believe in yourself. Don't worry about none of the naysayers got to say. Naysayers, the haters, the doubters, the negative energies, the people who don't even praise themselves, so they damn sure ain't gonna praise you. You know? One of my prayers is to keep that negative energy away from me, baby. I don't care who you are, mama, daddy, brother, son, daughter, cousin, sister, mother, whoever. If you got bad vibes, bad energy, bad spirits, bad voodoo, goodoo, whatever you want to call it, floating around you, or nah. You and me, our chemistry won't mix, our souls won't mix, our spirits won't mix. Nothing's going to align. And it's not going to be good at all for either one of us, so. I'll just stay away from it. If I feel it, I'm quick to say, gotta go. You are messing with my energy, and I can't deal with it. Nope, I refuse to let anybody, any person, anything, any situation take my good energy, take down take me to bad spirits, take me to a lower level within myself. One of the new videos I will start doing is I really elevated. I really became extremely, extremely happy over this past year. And my morning routine, my night routine, my restart routine, my everything that I have done to make me better within myself, I'm going to start recording all that shit and I'm posting it because somebody needs to see it. I am so freaking happy in my life right now. Like, extremely happy. Like, extremely happy, I swear. It's only because I focus on me. I focus on me. I focus on me. I love me. I love on me. I'm in love with me. I do self-care. I say affirmations to myself. I read books. I journal. I'm going to just do a whole little routine, morning routine videos and self-help videos and self-care videos, and watch. I'm just all about positivity, bettering yourself. I'll probably eat like a pig. I don't even care, it's so good. And I'm hungry. But self-help, positivity, self-encouragement. Putting you first. Being selfish. I'm all about being selfish nowadays, babe. Look at that. All about being selfish. Because if you don't, who's going to care? Everybody out for themselves anyway, you know. It is what it is. I love helping people. I love making people smile. I love making people feel better about themselves. However I can do that, however I can play my part in that in your life, I'm willing to do it. But this is where I'm about to cut it short. I'm pretty full. I thank you for watching. I'll do more videos on just talking about me and learning to I'll do more videos just talking about me and how I can help you better yourself and live your life how you want to live your life, because you deserve to be happy in this lifetime, in this body, in this universe right now. And that's just how I'm living my life. And it's literally gotten better and better since I quit that job and been working on myself and been investing in myself. Also was in a horrible, it was when it was bad, it was bad. When it was good relationship. But I ended that back in December for many crazy issues. But that'll be a whole nother story time. But yeah, I've just, and besides that situation, I've cut out probably 5 so-called close friends that literally was friends for multiple years, and found out that they weren't for me. And you know how I did that? By saying affirmations to myself, by journaling, by asking God and the universe and what I believe in to show me who is for me and who is not for me, and who to remove out my life for good, not for a reason, not for a season, for a fucking lifetime. Bye, gotta go. You're wasting my time, you're taking my energy, and I can't deal. And I've been so happy. Times I've been lonely, but you know what? You gotta be lonely to graduate and elevate and ascend to higher within yourself, you know? So, anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for listening. And what it is, hope with the Bougie Bankroll, get some love. Y'all like that? Let me know if y'all like that, or should I change it? I think it's cute. I don't know. I just came up with it at the top of my head. So everything I say and do, I don't think about nothing. I just record it, edit it, post it, upload it. I gotta stop saying post it, upload it. But But that is about it. All right, people. All right, y'all, we at the last building, the last account, last contract for the day. Y'all been riding with me all day. I appreciate you for keeping me company. We're gonna get this account done. Like I said, I work alone, so it's been a long day. I'm usually not out these many hours. I usually only be out like 4 hours a day, but it is what it is. I'm out of breath. I can't even hear myself. But anyway, thanks for tuning in once again. And actually, you'll probably see me again one more time before I end this video because I want something sweet. So we'll see how that goes. Until then, all right, y'all, I gotta go. Hola, bankrolls. No, I don't speak Spanish, but anyway. Hola, bankrolls. What it is. What's up? Can't boost your bankroll. Get some love. So it's actually the next day. I didn't close out yesterday. And I only wanted to get on here just to show you. I got a fucking mocha latte. And it is so freaking delicious. So freaking delicious. I got it from this little spot over there where that guy is standing at. It's called Las Colas, or something like that. I don't know. It's around the corner from my house. And my shirt. See, my new shirt's got the little lady cleaning on. Well, shit. The lady cleaning on them. With my LLC tag, with the little black orange spray. But anyway, that's all. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good morning, have a good month, have a good year. Have a good 2022, because it's coming real soon. And I will be bringing mines in Florida. I'm so excited. It's like, anyway. It is still nice here in Pittsburgh. It is like 65 degrees today. Still talking funny because of my teeth. I still forgot my tripod, so that's why I'm here, and here with the phone. Usually it should be like right here, but I ain't got my tripod. I still need to get my eyebrows did too. But anyways, gotta go, y'all. Love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And you can follow me on all social medias at Essence_Amare.